How to fix Instagram upload quality on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram upload quality on Android phone. First open settings and then scroll down until you find here apps, and now click apps again, and here type Instagram and full stop, then go open Instagram. Click on your profile, click this three lines here in the top corner and click settings, and here click account, scroll down, click cellular data use and disable data saver, and that's it. Now just if that doesn't fix your problem, go back and make sure your Instagram is updated, and that's it. Don't forget like and see you in the next video.